create a 1099 NEC from our modern UI, you're going to click Create New Form, click Forms, select the text here, form type. You're always going to first select the payer so you have access to that payer's recipients. There they are. Select your recipients. You can then fill out the form if it's a corrected form. It'll let you know the two different types of corrections. If it is just a regular form, you're going to fill out your amounts, and the system will automatically let you know that recipient's requirements for that state. In this case, it's Arkansas, so I'm going to choose to participate. It is your choice. And once it's ready for you to submit, you verify the information, save and continue. It'll take you to your unsubmitted forms. Well, you'll have all forms for that particular payer of that form type for that tax year, like you see here. And that's all you'll see. When you're ready to file, you can select all or select the ones that are ready. And you can select your options here of how you wish to send them, if USPS, e-delivery, or if you want to include a TIN match in there. Your states will automatically be selected if it is required, and you can click Submit for this payer. You'll have a little verification pop-ups that you have reviewed your data, and that'll take you to the payment screen. That is how you create and submit a 1099 NEC.